Here we have a Range Rover Autobiography long wheelbase. As you can see, you have 21-inch alloy wheels, 7 split spoke with a light silver diamond turned finish, an electrically deployable tow bar, privacy glass and keyless entry. Going into the back, you have 10-inch rear seat entertainment, which is ideal for children, and executive class rear seats, which are also heated. Going into the front, you have aluminium tread plates, full black leather interior. You also have a sliding panoramic roof, which is great for letting in more light, along with a front centre console cooler compartment. You also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with ambient interior lighting with a few different colours to choose from, which looks cool especially at night time. We also have a 360-degree camera, making parking and reversing a lot easier, sat nav and other functions which can be controlled using the buttons on the wheel. You also have cruise control and lane departure warning, along with a heated steering wheel and heated and cooled front seats, which are also massage, which is a nice luxury to have. There's also several different driving modes depending on the weather or where you may be driving. The seats are also memory, which is ideal if there's several people driving the car, and you have a Meridian sound system. We also have blind spot assist, which is perfect for motorways, and this car has 15,074 miles on the clock. Stepping back outside of the car, that was the Range Rover Autobiography. If you're interested in this car, please call 01785 211 31. Thank you.